In this video, we are reverse engineering the powerful OnePlus 65-watt warp charger, breaking it down piece by piece to uncover the advanced technology, smart design, and safety components. The charger's case was tightly sealed with industrial-grade adhesive, so we had to use a saw to carefully cut it open without damaging the internal components. These are solid polymer capacitors, the final stage of power purification inside the warp charger. After rectification, they smooth out any remaining voltage ripples, delivering ultra-stable DC power to your phone. Unlike traditional capacitors, these use conductive polymer instead of liquid electrolyte, giving them higher efficiency, faster response, and better heat resistance. Perfect for maintaining steady 65-watt performance without a hint of noise or instability. These blue disc components are Y capacitors, the safety guardians of the charger. They connect between the high voltage and low voltage sides, filtering out high frequency noise while maintaining complete electrical isolation. Built with special insulation, they prevent any dangerous current from leaking to your phone or hand. Small but essential, these Y capacitors ensure the OnePlus charger stays whisper quiet, efficient, and absolutely safe to touch. This is the high frequency ferrite transformer, the heart of the OnePlus 65-watt warp charger. It takes the high voltage DC from the input stage and converts it into a safe, low voltage, high current output for your phone. Unlike bulky iron core transformers, this one operates at over 100 kHz, transferring energy magnetically while keeping the input and output completely isolated. It's small, efficient, and absolutely vital for safe, lightning fast charging. Electrolytic capacitor. These are used for filtering energy storage and smoothing DC voltage in power supplies. A key part of our OnePlus 65-watt charger's input stage. 47 microfarads. The capacitor can store 47 microfarads of electric charge. 400 volts is the maximum working voltage that can safely handle up to 400 volts DC before breakdown. Acon, manufacturing brand. There are a total of 4 of these capacitors in the 65-watt warp charger OnePlus. This 4-pin chip is the brain of the entire charger, the PWM controller IC. It controls the high-speed switching of the MOSFET, regulating how much energy is sent through the transformer in each cycle, by constantly monitoring voltage and current feedback. It keeps the output stable and efficient, even under heavy load. In short, this small black chip is what makes the OnePlus 65-watt warp charger both powerful and perfectly controlled. This ring-shaped component is a toroidal inductor, a silent guardian against electrical noise, wound with copper wire around a ferrite core. It smooths out current flow and blocks high-frequency interference from both entering and leaving the charger. In the charger, it ensures clean power delivery, protects nearby electronics from noise, and keeps the entire system electromagnetically stable. Simple in appearance but vital for quiet, efficient charging. This black cylindrical component is a fuse, one of the first and most important layers of protection in the charger. Its main job is to break the circuit instantly during overloads or short circuits. Think of it as a safety gatekeeper. If too much current flows, the fuse sacrifices itself to stop the flow. This small green disc is a MOV, metal oxide varistor, a vital protection component inside the charger. Its job is to suppress voltage spikes whenever a sudden surge or lightning strike hits the power line. The MOV instantly absorbs and clamps the excess voltage, preventing it from damaging sensitive components like the ICs or capacitors. In short, it acts like a shock absorber for electricity, keeping your charger and phone safe. This is the main PCB, the heart of the OnePlus 65-watt warp charger. It handles everything from power conversion to smart communication with your phone. The large transformer steps down voltage safely, while the tiny ICs and chips regulate current and temperature. In short, this bird turns raw AC power into fast, efficient, and perfectly safe charging for your device. And that brings us to the end of our project on the reverse engineering of the OnePlus 65-watt warp charger. Through this study, we learned how each component plays a vital role in power conversion, safety, and efficiency. Thank you for watching and for your attention.